Hi guys, it's Brittany with the Crafting Spot. Today we'll walk through how to add text to a path in Silhouette Design Studio. Now this could be anything from having text in a circle to having words go around a heart or another shape or design. It's a really simple process, so let's take a second and check it out. First, create the shape that you wish to use. For this example, we'll use a circle. So click on the Drawing Tools menu on the left toolbar and select the Ellipse tool. Click and drag the mouse to draw an ellipse on the workspace. If you hold down the Shift key when dragging, you make a perfect circle. Next, click on the Text tool on the left toolbar. Click on the workspace and type out your text. Double-click your text and grab the plus sign grab handle on the left. Drag the text onto the circle. As you see, you can move this text around the circle. You can also adjust the text on the path by moving the gray slider up or down. Feel free to change your font style or size, change the spacing, or change the color. This is done using the Style Text panel on the right toolbar. The spacing here brings the letters closer together or spreads them further out. And as I said, you can also change the font. The Text to Path feature is standard in all versions of the Silhouette software and is the perfect addition to your design arsenal. In a later video, we'll go over how to remove the circle and keep the text in its current shape. But for now, you've got the basics. As always, thank you for joining us in the Crafting Spot and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to hit the inbox, like this video, and share it with a friend. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Join us on Facebook. I'll post a link in the description below. It's your girl Brittany signing off. Stay crafty.